ṣépè yẹn, maybe you don't know this, let me just tell you this. Ó gbé ọmọ ẹ sí abẹ́. Ó ṣẹ́ èpè, ó ṣeun fún ọmọ ẹ. Ó gbé orí ọmọ ẹ sí abẹ́, ó ṣẹ́ èpè. Ṣé ọmọ yẹn gbé spirit ń jábọ́? Ṣé spirit tó ń jábọ́ yẹn? Ṣé orí ọmọ yẹn ló lọ? Tí o bá gbọ́, gẹ́gẹ́ mi jẹ́ kó gbọ́ lẹ́nu. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn wà bẹ́ẹ̀, wà á ṣépè. Because I don't know why you are causing people. I don't know. Everybody ló ti lé lọ kúrò lára bàbá Mohbad tó ń gbèjà yìí. Àwọn ọmọ fẹ́sìtì sí ẹ lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná tá a máa ń bú ẹ, àwọn yẹn máa bú wa. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn tó ń jà fún ẹgbà yẹn, gbogbo ṣe ṣe ayé wọn. Gbogbo ṣe ṣe wọn káàkiri tó ń bú everybody wọn. Gbogbo àwọn tó sọ̀rọ̀ sí bàbá yẹn lẹ́yìn, ìwọ ló bá gbogbo wọn jà, ó bá yẹ bàbá yẹn jẹ́, ó tún àwọn àyè bàbá Mohbad, ó tún ọ̀nà upside down. Kemayeko Comfy, known for all that rubbish. Kemayeko Anyway, well, I'm sorry, Tempe, I'm not here to pay. I'm against Mrs. Adeshida. I mean, she's a love person, and everybody gives in our own ways. So that's all I need to say. Emma, because Comfy said something yesterday. In that one shape, I don't cover me. Fún mi yẹn, ó sọ pé òun ò tiẹ̀ tí rí òun wọ́ọ̀ṣ òun ò tiẹ̀ tí rí wúmà yẹn láti pé wọ́n ṣépè fún bàbá Mohbad rí. So kí ló wá dé tó wá ṣépè, kí ni wúmà yẹn kọ́kọ́ wá ṣe fún ẹ tó wá ṣépè fún wúmà yẹn. Tó wá ṣépè fún wúmà yẹn, ó dẹ̀ sọ pé ò tí ì rí rí. Tọ́pẹ̀ ẹ̀kú yẹn oríta ló ń lọ. Oríta ló ń lọ because ó mọ irú ìhà tí ìyá yẹn kọ sí Ọlọ́run, ó dẹ̀ mọ ibi tí wúmà yẹn wà that moment. So ẹ má jẹ́ ká da ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lé wúmà yìí lórí, ó kàn máa ń give anybody anyhow ni. Ìgbà míì tó máa wá sí ibà ọkọ̀ máa mú ìwọ tó bá lọ sọ́dọ̀ pẹpẹ lẹ́nu náà ọ̀nà máa kí ọkọ̀ máa bọ̀ tàǹtì wọn ni. So ẹ má yẹ ká fa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí ó ti bàjẹ́ already. Ṣé understand? Ó ti bàjẹ́ already. Even èmi tí mo bẹ títí kò sí lélẹ́yìí, mo bẹ àǹtí yẹn ibẹ̀ ẹjọ́, ẹ lọ mú kíní yẹn, ẹ lọ kó lórí péjì yìí, it's not good, kò dáa. Mo wá wà lóru àná bíbá yìí, mo kàn ń wo Facebook. Ẹ bá rí bó ṣe blog ìyá yẹn lórí Facebook. Ṣé o pé Facebook tún go viral? Ẹ bá rí bó ṣe blog ìyá yẹn lórí Facebook. It's not good. Kò dáa. Comfy, ìyá Comfy, Madam Comfy, Sisi Comfy, you need to stop this. Èèyàn kan ló máa ṣe, èèyàn kan ló máa ṣépè fún. You need to stop this. You need to stop it. Blogging kì í ṣe wọ̀tá o. Ó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ 20 years, 40 years.
Ẹni tó bá blog yẹn tó bá fẹ́ kó dùn, tó bá fẹ́ rí rò.
Ẹ̀wọ̀n náà ni.
Blogging rò. Tó bá fẹ́ rí rò. Blogging na water.
Blogging na water. So fine.
Don't punish them. Allah nírò náírà Galatia. Tó bá tẹ búyàn tó máa wú ẹ.
Gifting is just gifting. Yes. Ẹ jẹ́ kó finish headline. I don't care. Gbogbo àràbùkẹ́ lára àràbù ni ẹ lè mọ̀ mí. You know me.
Ṣé wọ́n fẹ́ mú ẹ̀gbìn ìwò?
Ṣé ká tún máa gift mọ́ ni? Ṣé gift ló jẹ́ crime ni? Ṣé gifting crime ni? Gift ni? Hi! Jesus!
Why you? Every day, every time, every night, every now and then.
Ferragamo. God bless you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Madam Afolashade, Mama, you are a very learned human. And so is the same thing with Mommy Adeshida. She's a very learned woman. And for the little I know about the woman, you understand? And she's never going to be a commercial to be BG to be a woman. She's in her 60s. Likewise, you too, Mommy Afolashade, you're a grandma. You understand? So, likewise also, Mommy Adeshida. So, she's a very, very good person. That is just what she does. That is just her forte. She just eats. See, the thing is that We'll be the question for like, has she ever done something like that before? On shake and the woman was gifting them. Then you about let's always try to give people benefit of that by okay, and you provide. Sure, you understand. What she got they know, and that woman was just thanking them. She might be saying that okay, she even said it on her birthday on this platform that she's going to go to everywhere they celebrated that. For some time, not even one day. Probably she wants to do it, simultaneously. Like she wants to gift them to show appreciation, like for people to, to celebrate her in such manner. And she was happy. She was so happy. Now, probably she might just be going in and going out. And she was just gifting.
I was there on your platform. I celebrated her too. So
I know, Mama. I know.
She's a love woman. I love that,
She's a very lovely woman. She's not that kind of person. If it is somebody who has such an antecedent like that we already know that this kind of person, just like now somebody say, comfy the blood person, who won't argue? You go say, nah, comfy food with that, that's what she did. Everybody know her. Or maybe person does say, comfy the swear for person. Everybody go come on and they leave that one, Jerry. So that is it. But that is not to that woman. It's just like you now, Madam. Somebody should now come and say, Madam Afolash, they dragging somebody. I will say that lie. That is not she won't do such. So there are people like you can say, no, this is not this person. Like me now, I don't get wala with anybody on G4head except Mofi. We go drag me unnecessary. But waiting another person do. That same person where you do that thing for. What did you say?
Nobody drag me. I don't get 16 now.
You go get 16 now, Mama. I fire my phone. On this G4M. You go get 16. You see, dragging a water, they will drag you on a
But you just said dragging with them. Just said dragging a water.
So why you go drag you on nothing?
No, I mean, I'm just telling you the meaning of.
No.
I'm just telling you.
If you can say that dragging is water, so you don't have to fear about anybody dragging you.
No, don't let somebody drag me. I don't get that.
Today they drag.
So if anybody has the show, maybe the catch of the kicking it clear. If anybody have the show, because me, I don't do recording. Please, maybe let's be solve issue to one leg.
I don't follow. I don't follow.
Calm down here. Okay, I think calm down. Okay, I know.
All we know that and to pay narrative and sit on Kello Furasi. Come more reason to shake Bisita. A big platform and his success that, and because the woman was well celebrated, because she's a lovely woman. So they quickly just have to turn around that celebration to that. How long? Too much that job for Nikaluko, I see that job. And to go give a big jam or come and shake with your job. Or stop one. I want no for one gift to the way on shipping. And the amount of man shake on your take on my bone by way. Oh, yeah, look, we come on, and look, one manager, my bounce or be bad Johnny on my best book. My ship with family, your car kitty. We know that you have to make for one gift. But don't for one gift here. Why were the name not mentioned before this one? I want them to share with intention, with intent. Maybe I want to shake with a bluffing by gift. I'm more. So I need to be narrative here. That or drag I didn't want me. That's how that is gaslighting. And God doesn't share any here. So would they gas already?
Guys.
No. It's okay.
Thank you. Just clarification no matter. All right, thank you.
Shoulder might.
Good afternoon, sir.
So you are there, you just melengo since. You just melengo, go. How far now?
I'm fine. I I'm fine. I'm good.
Let's get now, my brother. Wait, what happened today in court? Did they later go to the court because I've been busy since? You know, shall I the court today in Jordan right?
Ṣé I believe pé ìgbà tí wọ́n bọ́ta àti bàbá kan tó ṣe live. Of course, K-Crown was there earlier to
K-Crown was at
see if he can keep us abreast with the whole stuff. All right. So, but when I talk about that, don't go live. I was even on that live immediately, I believe, except of. So that's even why I came up. I'm out again to just gather to know how far. I think they have. Next is 22, I'll be 24. Let's get Crown come so you can actually because as well as it. Why just K-Crown? So the K-Crown, so we just Muslim brothers is a place 20 guinea on the next or something. So I think it should be in the best position to give us that. So
waiting the really they happen, sir. Don't share like no. We shall not be next sitting 20 something this month again. Waiting the K-Crown, how far now? You did come up now. Make it don't share like. So is it that the court did not sit today or what happened? Shulamite.
No, of course, court sat now. There was a sitting in court today, and I think they all went to submit whatever centers to everybody, which was what we actually said last week. I think on the 10 year, but one of them had last year submitting. You will not believe.
You know, she will be able to
drop. Emma, I wasn't present at the show. Blogging. Sometimes so that's blogging. Blogging here. So show. Right? Show. Easy phone. Let's start my draw conclusion. That's why I kept mute. I was just listening to everybody, especially anybody that says I was at the show as a because I saw the clips of where Kofi was saying that so much with Baba long gift more. And at the end of the day, first song let me set my what's it called? My phone. Let me set my first song. Super vibes. What's the culture? I'm sharing
now. Go ahead.
Share with me. Can you culture we pay can go and go platform money can small culture pay can go sorry platform by can go and go real kiloba go and ma so fún pé share spice is the mini culture wa share nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà ni sharing nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láwo ni ṣé instigation kan nìyẹn because according to the blog I saw tó wá sórí friend ṣé you know that coffee èmi ti pariwo fún wọn gbọ́ torí pé mo kéré sí wọn ní èjì wọ́n sì gbàgbé pé ọmọdé gbọ́n àgbà gbọ́n òun la fi dá ilé Ifẹ̀ o ṣé ẹ̀yin ọba sóúnjẹ fẹ́ pẹ́.
ìgbà tí ti parí ìjà yẹn nìyẹn tí mo rí tó ń ṣe ní love.
èmi strategies ìṣẹ́jú ni wá ẹ lè rí wá sí kí n máa fáwọn kí n máa ṣe pé kí ní kó máa ṣe lọ sí ó lè dọ̀lá sí kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ pé ó sì ti ṣe orin kan fẹ́ promote orin yẹn ló ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ bàbá ìlú so èmi sì understand gbogbo kíní ìbò ṣe ń lọ ẹ dẹ̀ sọ nǹkan fún yín tó o bá sọ oúnjẹ fẹ́ gbé ẹgbẹ́ máa jókòó máa jẹun ká ní pé for example sìn a ní club 200 people ó wá sọ oúnjẹ fún èèyàn 200 wọ́n máa jẹun wọ́n máa dùn wọ́n máa wá òkè bó tí èèyàn 200 bá ṣe oúnjẹ fún ẹ ṣé ò lè dájẹ́ tán lóòótọ́ justice àwọn tá a mọra wa pé nínú ara mi ó dùn mí pé nǹkan báyìí ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú tó lọ́ba tó níjó yẹ̀rù dẹ̀ ń bà wá wípé tí ò bá sí tábà sí lè correct nǹkan yìí ó ní tábà tó pé kò kàn wá a ò lè sọ ó lè kan ẹni tó máa kàn wá tó bá dọjọ́ ọ̀la kan reason tẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ fi dúró going to 3 years lélẹ̀ nítorí wọ́n wò pé tí ìlú ìbá ń lọ bó ṣe ń lọ yìí tó bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ lóòótọ́ a jẹ́ pé kò sí anybody tó safe ọ̀kẹ́ ọmọ kápẹ́ntà ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sílé ni ó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ sọmọ president lọ́la tó bá dé level kan tán tí gbogbo nǹkan ìbá ti gbilẹ̀ tán now gbogbo àtàwọn abìlẹ̀ fún afẹ́ fight against nǹkan yìí afẹ́ ṣẹgbẹ́ afẹ́ ṣàwòyí àwọn kan náà tún ṣe dúró ní dúró pé ẹ lè máa búlì ẹni sọ́kọ̀ ẹ̀kú ṣẹ́ mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣá ẹ jẹ́ kí mi wá sọ nǹkan kan we need to always check ourselves the same thing that we are fighting are we not becoming that thing that we are fighting only you will sit down and you have taken pictures of almost maybe 50 if let me take a bukere people tó dẹ̀ ń gbé picture wọn tó dẹ̀ ń gbé wọn gégùn tó ń gbé wọn ṣépè ṣé ìwọ náà lọ́lọ́run wá fi àṣẹ ẹ̀gbọ́n àti ìpèsè lẹ́nu bẹ́ẹ̀ nínú àwọn 200 yẹn àtẹ̀wá ní ríyàn 10 tóun náà ní àṣẹ lẹ́nu láti gbé ẹgégùn padà náà imagine o ti sóúnjẹ fún ẹgbẹ́ báyìí o ti sóúnjẹ fún èèyàn 50 gbogbo máa jẹ wọn máa yọ tí àwọn 50 bá wá sí oúnjẹ fún wọn nìkan ṣẹ́rí ṣe instigation kọ́ ni kíyàn kan ìyá yẹn jókòó sórí platform o ní ìkọ́tẹ́ mi rí mo favorite ẹ̀ mo kàn mo because èmi máa ń wo nǹkan torí ẹ̀yìn mi ṣe tètè ní fans nítorí pé èmi jẹ́ ọ̀kọ́tẹ́ pé mo wà critical in thinking gan and I'm not a people pleaser. The woman was sitting on a platform èèyàn kan gòkè wá ó ń sọ pé mọ́mí kò fi in fact ó lé gan o ó lágbára gan o ìyá ẹ̀ wá ń dáhùn pé lóòótọ́ ẹnìjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí mo ní ìsáhùn mi ìṣẹ̀ ráyè àti ẹ̀sìn máa lọ káàkiri ẹ jọ kí nìkan tẹ eré sí instigation yẹn káṣẹ̀ wá kọ́kọ́ pa títí adìyẹ tí ká kọ́kọ́ fèsì ẹlẹ́rọ tàbá sọ pé a fẹ́ kí nǹkan dára ṣé a tún máa bàjẹ́ sí ni everybody knows kọ̀ǹfì pé ibi tó tẹ̀ ti forí gún dé nìsín mo wò báyìí wọn lo erin kò ṣe kankan she is a perfect picture of a Christian mother téèyàn lè lọ sábà fún advice àbí fún àdúrà but when you type her name on the internet nǹkan tó bá gbé wá is where she is raining curses on people that's two different things, two different personalities and I begin to wonder once now the last time I came here people were jokingly dragging me that official gospel on the ring meta on gospel on no string ó yá ibo ni mo ti jókòó rí kí n gbé picture yàn kí n máa gbé ọmọ ọlọ́mọ lẹ́yìn kan rúfo oṣù mẹ́sàn-án tó bí kí wọ́n máa gbé ṣépè tèmi náà bí tèmi how much more kí wọ́n á fi tèmi sábẹ́ kí ni mo ṣépè fẹ́yàn ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run kí ni instigation yẹn kí ni iṣẹ́ tí instigation yẹn ṣe láàrin yẹn because it was that person that came up to give her. mi ò ní tí bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe wà mi ò ní tìjú mi ò ní tí bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe wà mi ò ní tìjú torí kò sẹ́ni tí mo ti fọ́ fún lórí cyber pé ìyá mi o Dangote ni ọkọ ẹ o àbí èmi ni ìyá mi Dangote ni ìyá mi bí mi fún o èmi mo jẹ́ ọmọ Adélékè àbí mo ní mansion àbí àmì ní mansion àbí kinní kan mi ò fọ́nu lórí cyber so báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ ṣe ṣẹ́nu mi kò yé mi ò dẹ̀ wá ní tìjú sí ló bá tán mi ò lè ṣerun mi ò lè wọṣọ ó gbélé government mi ò sọ fún yín pé mo ti ra lé síbí àbí mo gbélé láti Nàìjà no just tell me kí ló fẹ́ fi ṣe mi because ká ní mo ti sọ pé èmi o kinní kan mo ti fọ́ fún yín àmọ́ ní mọ́tò mo sọ fún yín pé mi ò ní mọ́tò ń bí so kí ló fẹ́ fi ṣe mi tí o mọ̀ túmọ̀ pé kí o ṣe mi yan ni bí kí n ti parọ́ fún yín sí pé báyìí o kì í máa live fake life kẹwàá lẹ́tà wá rí mi gbà eléyìí ó ti ṣe nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ wò lórí cyber òun lẹ rí ní real life o mo sọ fún yín pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe rí mi báyìí náà lè ṣe máa ṣe rí mi tẹ́ ẹ bá pàdé mi one-on-one àti réyè tó pàdé mi one-on-one lórí tó máa sílẹ̀ fún mi every blessed lẹ́mi ò kí ń ṣe oníwò mú mi dàbí bígbà tí olówó ló dàbí bàṣíà torí pé mo fẹ́ ìwọ crush yẹn mo máa tọ́jú ẹ̀ sínú imú mi tá máa fi parí justice yìí wàá máa gbé mi wàá máa gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wàá máa lísìn sí nǹkan tó ń sọ kíkọ́ sọ lórí burúkú ni ẹ́ ìwọ Ngozi olórí burúkú ni ẹ́ mi ò lówó ṣerun kí ló kọ ẹ́ ṣé wọ́n ló nírun ni ìwọ ló lórí àbí wọ́n ló lẹ́lẹ́dàá fẹlẹ́dàá mi lẹ̀ ẹlẹ́dàá mi ní kí n má ṣerun ṣó ti tán ẹlẹ́dàá mi ní kí n má ṣerun YouTube Premium is at ṣó tán olórí burúkú ìwọ náà ò ṣerun o ṣó o ṣerun ni ṣèbó gẹrun ni torí kí ni o lè máa ṣerun o lè máa lọ salon ṣó o rí pa ayé ẹ ti bàjẹ́ o lè lọ salon you can't be going to the salon torí pé ò rí owó lọ salon o ti fowó san táàsì tán o ti fi owó san táàsì tán lórí burúkú Ngozi Abọ́sẹ̀dé òun náà tún jábọ́sẹ̀dé olóṣì ó tún jábọ́sẹ̀dé. ìjẹta tí olórí burúkú láti tí ò sọ̀rọ̀ kan fí o tó ń dàbí ẹ̀fọ́ tẹ̀tẹ̀ tí wọ́n domi gbóná sí máa gbúrò crosslave ń bẹ̀ kò ní wá tí wọ́n bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ kan fí kọ́ máa parọ́ mọ́ kan fí tó ń parọ́ mọ́ lè gbọ́ crosslave kò ní wá olórí burúkú aláyé bàjẹ́ láti máa fi mú máa fi dánrin ṣó ti yẹ tún lọ máa kú another story. Bọ̀ mo mọ̀ pé àrífà ní generation story wọ̀nyí ṣé mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣé mọ̀ pé àrífà ní generation àrífà ní genesis gbogbo kan tó ṣe pọ̀ sí àrífà o anybody o mo ti fà yín lọ́nà lọ́wọ́ mo fà yín sí kóòtù ọlọ́run bí màmí ṣe máa ṣe sọ wọ́n láwọn fàyàn sí kóòtù ọlọ́run mo fà yín sí kóòtù ọlọ́run àfẹ̀yìn pẹran ló máa ṣèdájọ́ ọlọ́run àfẹ̀yìn pẹran ló máa ṣèdájọ́ èmi ò ní ẹni tí láti sọ because ẹni tí ò bá gbọ́ Yorùbá ìwọ̀nba ló lè sọ ń bẹ̀ ṣó ti yé yín so ẹ̀wọ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń ṣìdákẹ́ náà. ẹ ṣọ̀rọ̀ ẹ fi wọ́n lẹ̀ ẹ páàkì wọn sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan ẹ jẹ́ kó dúró lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan mọ́ ẹgbẹ́ kan tó wà yìí pẹ̀lú tọ̀sí ẹ fi wọ́n lẹ̀ so kò sí ìyọnu fọmọ Ọlọ́run wàláì kò sí ìyọnu so wọ́n ṣáà ní Tuesday ni wọ́n máa lọ fún court fún DNA láti bóyá láti lọ mọ hospital tó fẹ́ lò wọ́n sì lọ submit hospital fún guinea court so fún family court wọ́n sì lọ submit hospital 3 tán ló kọ́ mu wá bàbá ti mú 3 lọ Wùmí náà ti mú 3 lọ so bóyá on the 24th tó máa lọ ní Tuesday so bóyá àwọn ló máa fún wọn ní ló máa choose hospital tí wọ́n máa ní tí wọ́n máa mú fún wọn so ẹ jẹ́ ká máa wash ẹ̀dẹ̀ yẹ ká máa fàdúrà ran bàbá Mohbad lọ́wọ́ so kọ́lọ̀ ń gba gbogbo àkóso gbogbo bàbá wọ́n ṣe gbìyànjú láti ṣe kọ́lọ̀ fún wọn ṣe ṣòye yìí kọ́lọ̀ ń gba gbogbo kó sì kó ṣàgbà gbogbo kó take the total control so that everything á lè rí bíbá bàbá yìí ṣe fẹ́ kí gbogbo ẹ̀ come out with successful so nǹkan tó sọ Tuesday sí òun ni ká tó máa look up to so ká máa wo nǹkan tí outcome court ní Tuesday so nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní sọ ìjọ ẹ má jẹ́ àgbàgbé no matter what way rí àyè ẹ ṣe má sí tó ẹ jẹ́ ká máa rán gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì létí nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad ẹ jẹ́ ká máa rán gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì létí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad ò lè kú òlẹ̀ no matter bó ṣe
dẹ̀ sọ pé òun rò pé báwọn bá gbọ́n ṣe gbé bọ́dì Mohbad dé police station pé wọ́n máa arrest gbogbo àwọn ni wọ́n ṣe anything. Doctor report wà lọ́wọ́ Wùnmí kò mú sílẹ̀ wọ́n dé morgue wọn ò gbà after tí bàbá Mohbad lọ Kàrímọ́ ló padà jáde o tó sọ wípé àwọn bribe àwọn tó ṣiṣẹ́ ní morgue tó padà fi gbé òkú èèyàn kan jáde tó fi ti mú Mohbad síbẹ̀ without the consent of that bàbá ọmọ mi pé lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n lọ